mo ba ma no de ye ba e betwa trumu mo ye ho demonstration after demonstration trumu no ni nyina ka o mi ni ya pama Kufuado mo ba ya mo nkotwa ma mo am ntimi ntwam Sam George kwase yampanyini wote wani DsTv fo na ekontokwa he odwan sei odwan we
abusia Sam no akodo headquarters akodo the almighty Twene Jonas name Sam George wanya miss call ni nyina fa entokwa Sam George ene DsTv multi choice ekon ese omo ti omo nema so ene ade Sam George ameno na be the first priority na hia ade kese according to Sam George no DsTv ene Ghana fo nyina ye necessity ye hia ade Twene ene nana Romeo abayi kumadwen pa chile Sam George se masa enye anu na Ghana hia enye necessity de hia wo ho koye na jantoko hunu na wo kunu in fact Twene one fan spare I can imagine pa I Penyah block media let's run say any day over like video no that my subscribe button so back the notification for no latest updates so back to the word dey amame e wo comment e so so baso a no share from so enya bi ahwe entina say Sam George DsTv e konto kwa nyina fa omo monthly subscription package price no Sam George say omo ntese omo say omo enteso ye nya government e no be my instruction ye sole proprietorship other than a private company just say fine government will regulate price but ultimately fa wo pressure be see so because dem I tua ne nema etua ne month no month to so man just yentimi ntia nema so e ma ne possible e ma Sam George agba so gire mu pampe no mu kontokwa hu no other say eno mu e kontokwa mewa ye look enra na Ghana ball na I was expecting say once I hear ball no ye kuro mu ha yi nku a de at least and can Tuesday bia entwa ball no kura de DsTv Sports Plus and go be stream that program no and so enra DsTv na me say na sa DsTv Sports Plus no the purpose no dey mo day then na mo dey day because when can Sports Plus there and can anything concerning sports can mo stream it enya outside kwa anka currently internally no dey bobi ebo Ghana ha bia at least I got something my update on that with me stream here bi na national team bobo e wo yayi krom DsTv Sports Plus ain't mainstream just say Ghana yenye serious to the point they say ye ni media ba ko a aban be ka so ke media we dey program we na cost no be sponsor amamo stream aban ni ntimi nye Sam George eja no ho e no ni DsTv e konto kwa nyansa bi anim woni DsTv e konto kwa hunu DsTv so na benya matches we bi ahwe bo aye bo ne yankasa ye krom just a private company I want to be any streaming Emma Yenya Bishe. Now yet to Ghana has I know that private company. El Kunkwasi and Tokwanto Kwanyan Sevier, El Kunto Hunu. El Kunto Hunu. There was a first idea. No, I'm a comedian, so Twene Jonas, Nana Romeo, any other journalist, any TikTokers, in fact, or my tears is Sam George. So, I can come my being part of the Sam George.
mo ba ma no de ye ba e betwa trumu mo ye ho demonstration after demonstration trumu no ni nyina ka o mi ni ya pama Kufuado mo ba ya mo nkotwa ma mo am ntimi ntwam Sam George kwase yampanyini wote wani DsTv fo na ekontokwa he odwan sei odwan we DsTv no a private company ne boarding and one say DsTv no any TV na aka no munyi malam ne akonfo ni free so na moye moa muyi free so Ghana fo ne behwe on be ja DsTv ne to simple enye wasem trumu na hwe na stop enu ntinye to abama moa odama magimi moa stop people mobile faso be na nipa nya free mo so nye da bi antron matwa sa antron trosa komo trumu ntimi ntwam na wo wesi energy se me ko fight DsTv na kwase DsTv na TV station o me na me de me ho man koto mo channel ana man koto mo service ana de na aba man hwe TV ade na aba obi apadwuma na aye okronum yemfa energy no enkosi subscribe me fa so a ye be ma 24 hour economy na ye de the number 1 policy ye de win election no ye be ye ho adwuma no mu de chiminam na ye fighting DsTv obi de ye de ade Ghana nipa do say na e woti DsTv kura o mfi om de ye den om padwuma ye atinya to aduane ama om yire ne om madi what you say enu na ese aban odwene ho kwasea obi TV channel onu na de ne ho no so obe charge we ya me pa na meto me pa me nto eye by force adena bibini agimi sa the goal of the government is say you make sure say you solve the problem for the people Obi turn phone, iPhone, ebi $1,000. Obi on $1,000. Okwa no akoto Galaxy no okoni baby. Tell ya make sure no. Anti dia obi dey na ade age dia enya Ghana ni bi asem is not our problem. Trumu na ye asem affect your culture. Emwa ma ye demonstration after demonstration. Akufo-Addo di ni trumu o muntoma ye o ye ba e betwam o. Nkna man ma mo ba e matime twam. Emwa enkra man ma dwomama mo ba e matime atwam. So enti majimi dwomama woni twasere double track. Wo yire lodina ne to said ye yahu mframa gu ne to. So ntimi ntufu alodina kwasia ba tu kunu ne fo no wajime dodo. Na fra Ibrahim Mahama ne se o mpese obedi kuna enti omfa sankofa mine ne meto nya sa o mewu me ka kire o me Twene Jonas. I'm talking from the authority cause me no de nya asema we ko keke afre soja fo no munku omo. A simple job. A simple job. What we are some idea na obetimi aye. Soja ni atutu abo by accident ade na o me no. Wa na ma take over oko free. Nti Sam George, me dey me tufo. Said ya be ya wa mamuo no be ya akono no. The only thing I Ghana for person we here say stop trumu no. They said ya Mahama ba ayi ba Trump ba ya no stop o ye. Enye DsTv ntinye to abama. DsTv no eye choices me na me pe na me kwa akohwe a. E na me koti om nkwase a charges. Me pe na me hwe a me ntua. Enti nyamo na magimi a ai double money ni nyina e fake. Me masika wa ha. Akonfo egu TV so ni asofofo munyi om mfiri so. Na momfa program papa nguso, program papa guso a unkonkotua foreign na sika. Na foreign na nya sika oni kuro mu South Africa ho. Sika no betena Ghana ho a. Enti aden na bibini de wa jimi ni TV wa se no se DsTv no. O ma sisa malam ni akonfo akoguso a. Enka enya Ghana ni bi akono mani nkotua TV no nkohwe. Enti munyi nkwasiafo ni free Ghana TV no so. Na ma chanke ye boy. Wake up na ni nyina mu yi wa GTV a. Nipa ni nya bi hwe o Ghana. O ye da akotua sika ma DsTv. Eno an say mo be ye GTV no mo ye mmienu e bia GTV Premium. Anti GTV Premium monthly subscription here. O subscribe to TV abenya ewo shows abenya o DsTV ahwe nyina ye yibi o GTV wa. Obi a be kwa kotua amagana na sika na ma economy na grow dance bibini agimi eda bia ye enforce mfa sika no koma foreign na no na ni sika ni. Yes ye nye ye da because whatever South African can do we can also do better. On ya me channel enti adan ne ye o TV station ni bi na ye ntimi nye ye de ni ye enye premium ye betimi aye free GTV, premium GTV, premium plus GTV enti e bia ni channel a obenya channel ni nyina ye equivalent to the obenya o DsTv. So simple ya solve problem no dan say only foreign na e ko jimi na obia ti South Africa ni say Ghana mpani fo ye moa. Tie dia me chani yo. Tie dia me chani ye enti aye simple mathematics. Say ade papa wo obi TV so a adan ni ye de ye TV ni ntime fa ade papa ni bi maso. Na ye de sika ekoma say ankofo no. Why? So enti forget your mo na ye be wo de kwan ya be fa so anya proper channel any proper television system or Ghana. What you say we ade aye wo dia na e better than say obi dia. Until we can do better.
Honorable Samuel Nate George, Minister of Communications, Digital Technology and Innovations. Honorable Enyumrei mebawo na so a na eyenchia boni bi anim. Ni nyina ne se me pese me twe wadwene si bibi ho kakra. Honorable ma hu se be close to 3 weeks to 1 month ni. Weni abre multi choice for so pa DsTv. Na yemu bi ne matena se yan hu se honorable yewo bigger issues wo Ghana ha e wo se sa energy way o shift e de ko. Honorable multi choice DsTv enye necessity. Ena menye sure se eye compulsory se Ghana ni bia wo DsTv e woni fie anane office. Se ebeka no krakra na nsen abankesiem kra no o mampani a hye mo nyusu DsTv wo ho, which makes sense. Menye sure se multi choice for babonti abeka se adentina NDC aban se maye nyusu DsTv wo office. Obi ambusa we eye because multi choice for kwanim say DSTV you so no enyenhye. Until you cut your coat according to your size. Tisa wo hwe now here accounts mu. Now fi say wo no obetumi afford DSTV a obetumi I request it no mo de aba na we use na bosumi bia na watua. Honorable Sam George, on my way e wo normal bebre hia ye than DSTV ntoka ya wo kun. Me pacho DSTV for enye no omada Roma ene enya ball ehwe wo Ghana ha. Omada Roma ena ye movie industry a nanka egu na collapse na ni da so nyina asa no ene wo mo aba ama ena multi choice for so ama ye movie industry no revive ene say o interview movie producers am beka to say multi choice for boa movie industry no pa. Aside that ene emrantie wo kroma omani gibo ho no eye DSTV for adahoma ene nya bo ni bi hwe ye te Ghana ha I mean over 50 television stations I wo Ghana ha no emu de he ene wo writer obetumi EPL La Liga Bundesliga any de kaka ho ama ye nya bi ahwe common qualifiers here ye boy na no Ghana Black Stars any Chad a whole national television and to me anyi ama Ghana for nya ball ni bi ahwe honorable kanokre me sure say honorable when you football ho pa and wo he o DSTV enti ade na aba no mommode na mo ne o montena se na mo massage asem ni ye na mo fa yie ntu ba bia yie da Ghana ha ye wo no nsuo aye numi a bottle of water here ekura mi say ukọ Madina ubenya baabi a ubeto no more than said the obeto wo abeka janhye ha ubekọ Jowulu obi beto no more than said obi ton was spinters. These are the things you should be fighting for. You think Ghana hai you need general goods pricing. Say adie way baby a 1 cedi nti baby abeko bia 1 cedi. Honorable, you and I know say and normal your ton okroma no obi abo ape no deje. So and then awama o energy ni attention na call multi choice. Honorable, there are better things we can fight for. Nemum me kai pass tamwa na mo ye campaign no asem ba ko a ugina so pan ma enam so kra mani pani gi ho eye LGBT ho nsensem e free bra obeye minister LGBT nkomo menti se waka biem. Honorable, what happened to LGBT? These are interesting conversations any purpose yet free one. But I know the wejaka multi choice for over 1 month in oku hontaka ene kusise. Please don't spend so much energy on multi choice. Omumfa se kan to be a minimum say by force yankoto decoder. Ya wono me hia te se de make say nsuo bui. No ma bebre okrom ha ne bo obia bo pe no deje. Yet krom ha rent. People cannot rent. Rent control Ghana ha. Ya wo rent control Ghana ha. And so obia bo pe no de ne dan eje. Honorable, these are the things people want you to fight for. Opa start to say, fight over rent. And I said, they Ghana for boy and some amount. Timmy so, your dog answer na mapa. No hard feelings, Bia. Thank you.
A very good evening, Your Excellency, John Dramani Mahama. My name is Kofi Gavin, aka Mr. Happiness, a former Ghanaian. You know me because you know, prior to the 2024 election, I campaigned for you with my social media platform. Even though I am no longer a Ghanaian, it's because I like you. And you know me because your boys, that is Malik Basintali, YEA boss, and Yaira Koku, NIA boss, they used to repost my videos because of the campaign I was doing at that time. They were able to watch me because they had data. Because my campaign was on social media and not on DSTV. Subscription service that you have to pay. And all my followers who watched and voted for you, they bought data to watch, to follow my social media pages, to listen to the videos I made on your behalf, to tell them the good message you are carrying, the heart you have for Ghana, to make Ghana better. They bought data. They didn't subscribe to DSTV. Now, based on my campaign and others' campaign and yourself, you are the president. And the sector minister you have appointed for communication, Sam George, instead of him to advocate for data price reduction, he is rather using all the resources available at his disposal to fight for a subscription TV called DsTv price reduction, which to me doesn't make sense. In as much as DSTV is expensive, how many people in Ghana who voted for you have DSTV subscription? But majority of Ghanaians who voted for you, some couldn't even attend your rally. But because of data, they were able to scroll through social media to see messages about you and went out to vote for you. And that is why today Sam George have the job as communication minister. But he's not fighting for your interest. He is fighting for an interest I don't even understand. Your Excellency, task Sam George to fight for data price reduction. Because so far, you and your team are doing a good job. And most of your achievements is on social media. It's not on DSTV. But because data prices are expensive, people can no longer log on to social media to see the good works you are doing. And it's going to affect you, your legacy, and your party. So please caution Sam George, the sector minister, to do the right job, to fight for data prices first, before DSTV, a luxury TV subscription. Sam George is harming you, Your Excellency, John Dramani Mahama. Caution him before it's too late. My name is Mr. Happiness. You know me, I don't fear anybody. I only speak the truth. I don't need anything from you because I have everything I need. But I love you and I love Ghana. And I know you are the right choice for Ghana. So please, Sam George is undermining you. Let him fight for data price reduction and not DSTV price reduction because DSTV is luxury. Data is a necessity. Thank you.
That DSTV in Komwe. Sister, DSTV, and your necessity.
Debbie.
Mete ya mi hwe DSTV. Me ne me ma ye wuye. DSTV enye nsuo. Me sorry anopa na nsuo mba me ni be break because me ne me ma ye nware. Ye nsuo emfa nya aduane. Ye ho be kire yen. Me sorry na me ni sika me di to aduane ye dia me ni be bri me tiri ho pa. DSTV and can the necessities of life. A luxury.
Perfect.
And to me, you're Sam George. Sam George, what at all is your headache with DSTV? I didn't know consumers no. Am I undecided? Wow, if you are DSTV near my boy, Dema no. Jai use way. I am by force. DSTV for a bank room ha. Who they have a pricing regime? Almost every 3 months, omutum. But omu guso here because Ghana for na ye guso he. It is a Ghana for na omutu yakana. Omu ejai.
Ha Ghana aya kase Sam George go gena no mukaka. He blaster abo match. Ghana ye TV station omu anyi. MPP time blaster kwa we kuro omu yi. Ani zinkwaje omu ntumi yi. Ano sorry a DSTV for no attack you sa DSTV so omo anyi boy ahwa na ekwakoyi ne yahwe Sam George obde na numu keke
that name be koso is really bad. GTV moson faso an saying moson faso pan saying as Ghanaian TV station most Ghana television moson faso pan saying Ghana ne malibo match ya head omu yi o TV so menti ase o wo de wa hwe match e twem ha sene Olympics a match you highlights we assume fast like what is the country getting from this ye national and I have national match and you may be you catch or say as a corporation 90 years na samo ye nipa kra nka mumba kokra mu ye nipa nka mumba kokra na we yet ye baby on be say TV license sa bet no kwada me pese meti. And I pay your TV license, pay your TV license. I don't get it. You try for the now say private company free baby, no, but Now, or bed nice on mine with your friend say charges based on TV. Oh, Mona good GTV. You on company one say GBC say no. You guys should be there saying say almost charge I don't know. Now we yet musun fast one saying. We ye pan can say na kebesi. Say nebesi. Your bonus match qualifies. Mu yi dead match. Oh, we na mo can be no mining ye. Mo can be pan no mining ye.
Breaking news, my people. MTN has done it again. Citizens are shouting louder than a hungry goat at market. Our data are vanishing faster than Kelly Willy at midnight. After a price adjustment and a nice handshake with Honorable Sam George. The same man who twisted DsTV's arms until they dropped 30% like it was hot. MTN promised us relief. But instead of relief, people are now asking, is this relief or a broad daylight robbery? My people, imagine buying 10 gigabyte bundle today. Before you could even finish scrolling TikTok, then poof, it is gone. It is like pouring water into a basket. Even my village witches are clapping for MTN, saying, hey, you guys are smarter than us. Who does this? If not be MTN and Ghana. Meanwhile, citizens are noticing that many of these companies chopping our monies and our data are not even Ghanaian companies. South African giants in telecoms, TV, and mining are eating our lands and pockets, and even our patience. They come, drill the lands, take the gold, collect our subscriptions, and leave us dust and potholes. Who does this? This is painful, bro. Now, Ghanaians are calling on Sam George again. Honorable, we beg, come and perform part 2, just as you made DsTV reduce prices. Come and hold MTN neck small, because this one there, it is not adjustment. It is rather an abduction. My people, so until then, if your data is vanishing, don't worry. It is not witches. It is not your phone. It is MTN's new faster than Voodoo plan. Who does this? If not MTN. Subscribe to my YouTube channel now, and stay tuned for my nonsense with sense.
Drag your mama, comment section. I Penyah Block Media, Accra.